Hi guys, good morning. So, ayan, Brad is now preparing to go. He's gonna leave me now.
Love you.
Miss you. Are you sure? Final question? Final answer, I mean.
If I wrote you a song,
Ayun guys,
I got every
this is Brad. This is his bag. Maleta ko yan kung naalala niyo. Binili ko sa Japan. Guys, you have no idea how much I'm gonna miss him. Like, I told him all the times that we were together, watching movies. Like, you don't know how much time we shared together here because I didn't really record a lot of things that we did. And I'm just gonna miss him. Like, I'll continue my travel again.
Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
Don't wanna be in love if it's not with you. Don't wanna cry that
Estada.
extra tear. Don't
Estada.
want to let summer go, turn our skin to forget.
This is his lunchbox. This is your lunchbox. What's your
This is his clarinet, guys. So he wasn't able to show us his performance. Well, I've seen him perform before.
¿A qué terminal vas? ¿A la 1 o a la 2?
Alauna. Like, this is the nice gay couple again. Okay. Actually, that's my newest tip, guys. So if you're comfortable with gays and you want to feel safe, when you're traveling, go to the gay spots because gays won't harm you. Like, gay areas are walkable, runnable, relatively safe. Just don't bring your man.
What's that supposed to mean?
Which one?
Don't bring your man.
Because if you bring your man in the gay area, your man will be endangered. Oh. Do you feel like your man is in danger now?
Should I?
Would I? Brad. So as I was saying earlier, guys, I told him he already witnessed how I travel, how manic it can be, how crazy. It's not his type yet of traveling, but soon when you get to prepare yourself for like an adventure, like take it as an adventure. Our travels is an adventure. So to his mom and his parents, his dad, yeah, I think I've done a good job. Allegedly.
You have.
I, like what I told him before, okay, Brad, you're gonna take care of me in the US, but outside the States, it's gonna be my territory, so I'll take care of you. I'm gonna miss him so much. And yeah, like I always say, this is not the end. This is just a beginning. A great, great beginning. Love you. Love you more. And remember, Brad, we are in Mexico. I have your hairs. I'm gonna miss giving you back rubs, shaving your back, giving you a shiatsu and Swedish massage. Guys, I love having massage, so him getting it from me, it's an exclusive perks as a boyfriend. That's what I have to do as well. Did you have fun? I look more 23 than you.
Yeah.
Brad, so now we are here in Mexico. You've seen the world outside US. Will you be willing to go also to Philippines?
Eventually, yeah.
Eventually, yes. Look the camera in the eye. Promise? You're not gonna break your promise, aren't you? Still with a kiss. Okay. We will wait for you in the Philippines. I will prepare you all the mineral waters. You're gonna take a bath with Evian waters. Princess. Yeah, princess treatment too. Oh, I'm gonna miss you, so I have to bite you. Can I bite the other finger and keep it here?
No.
No?
I need my fingers.
Oh.
My instrument.
Ah, okay.
I don't want to sit around and wait. Thin skin, I'm underwater. Is this really happening? You stay silent, you don't mind. Happiness or dollar signs to you. What about not stealing anyone's time?
Yes. Bye, saludo hasta.
Anyone's time.
Brad,
Huh.
let's go. I'll come in with you. I don't want to let you go. I'm gonna bring your luggage. Baby, love you.
Hey, do you ever think about me? I vow to always be fearless and forward for days, weeks, and years to come. I cut the strings, calling all of the things that awaits me. Dreamer, come back.
It's his first time flying alone back to US, and he's having actually an anxiety flying out, and he's not really used to flying, so he doesn't know what to do. So I'm telling him like in every step of the way what he needs to do, like so he will feel comfortable flying. Guys, honestly, the feeling is not nice knowing that he's gonna go home right now. I'm gonna miss him so much. I'm gonna miss him so much. In Dallas.
Dallas. I have to transfer it myself.
Yes. It's gonna be quick. And once you get there, there will be you have to tell some people in the airport, like workers there, that you have a connecting flight. So they will prioritize you.
Okay.
Okay.
So, like, once I land, who do I talk to about it? Just
Did he say that you're gonna pick up your bag
in the carousel.
in Dallas?
Yeah.
Yeah, just ask someone also, like someone in the airport, for your bag, because from what I know, they will transfer it. Like you will just get it, and they will put it back immediately to transfer to the next plane. So just approach people working in the airport.
Okay.
Okay. In just 2.5 hours. 2.5, right?
2.
Just 2 hours.
Yeah, it's gonna be tight.
It's gonna be very tight. Especially the lines in the immigration is long. So you have to be very quick to leave the aircraft and fall in line in the immigration. But since you're American, you won't have problem. And once you need your help for the luggage, call somebody.
We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick.
Be safe. Make good choices.
Path carved out for us now.
Love you.
I love you.
The brush
Okay,
is
baby.
thick.
You don't have any liquids there in your bag?
Oh, I'm
Yes.
All I'm asking now, don't give up on love. Don't give up. Don't give up on love. In sickness or health, for richer, for